It's coming, it's coming, it's coming! I know, I can tell. The train is fine.
Hey, hold it, don't hold it over here. Hold it right here.
I'm skilled, I can do this.
Look,
Yeah, truck's going. It's flying.
No, the other end.
You can see it here.
There's an aerial truck there.
Oh no, it's going this side. What's the matter? Which track? Is that the same one?
No, different one. Different number.
Yeah, different one.
They just look the same.
Wait, but the signal is red.
track up there, neighbor.
Oh, yes. Oh, yeah, I see.
Unless we stop and wait for
No, we
that
can't
train.
stop it.
And yeah, and it was, I had like 6 boxes like this, about 12 locomotives. And some of those locomotives, like the most expensive was $2,200. The cheapest I got was about $660.
They're all brass, eh?
Yeah,
Yeah.
they were all
Yeah,
real, exact replicas.
Yeah,
right?
brass, handmade brass. Yeah,
The train that's coming.
I don't have any of them, but some of the plastic ones are.
That train is. Oh, great! It's coming down my track.
No, he'll be on this track here.
Oh. Yeah, that's right.
If you want to give these tracks numbers, this is track number 3. That's track number 2. Guess what that means? That's how they. Oh, that's the Niagara Falls train.